Good evening, all. We're going to be making the creamy mac and cheese. The first thing you need to do is cook up 8 ounces of either elbow macaroni or whatever kind of macaroni you like. And then get your pan ready. Just lightly grease it. Okay, get a 1/4 stick of butter and you're going to melt that. And get a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour ready. This is melting. Okay, as soon as your butter is melted, sprinkle in a 1/4 cup of flour. And stir that up, and that's gonna cook for about 2 minutes. This is on very low, probably about a 2 on my stove. Okay, now add a couple shakes of garlic powder. A little salt. And some pepper. Stir this up good. Now you're gonna add a cup of milk. And a cup of half and half. You can turn your heat up a little, maybe to about 3.5. And you're gonna stir this till this thickens up. I switched to my whisk right now till it starts to thicken up. At this time, shred up 10 ounces of cheese. I use Vermontcheddar and Vermont Seriously Sharp cheddar. Just shred that up and I'll be back. And preheat your oven to 350 about right now. It's coming along. You just don't want to do a real high heat with milk because it will burn on the bottom and then it will taste terrible. Mine's starting to thicken up. Probably about 1 more minute. Okay, once your mixture is thick, you can see it's thick, you're gonna put in your cheese and get a wooden spoon instead of a whisk. And you're gonna put your cheese in. Keep a little out for the top. That's pretty good. So about 3/4. And you're gonna stir this up till it melts. doesn't take long. And then what you're gonna do, once this is melted, I got a few more little chunks. You're gonna get your macaroni, and you're gonna pour your macaroni in here. And then you're gonna pour it in your pan. Okay, that's good. Okay, so get your macaroni. And pour it in. Okay, mix it up. Cheesy. Okay, mix that up good. Let me get my pan. And this is greased lightly. Get all that cheese goodness out of here. And then you're gonna spread the leftover cheese on top. Like so. You can use other cheeses also. I just always use the Vermontcheddar. Okay, and then you're gonna pop this in the oven, a 350-degree oven, for about 20 minutes, and I'll be back with the picture. Okay, the last 5 minutes, I put it on broil. So there's the cheesy mac and cheese. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good night.